Sa video na to, dadaan tayo sa beginner privacy checklist for Ultra VPN at yung 7 settings na dapat mong i-turn on agad. What's up guys? Ako nga pala si Ashley, and if you've ever installed a VPN, in-on mo lang once tapos akala mo fully protected ka na, para sa'yo ang video na to. Hindi automatic na inaasikaso ng VPN ang lahat para sa'yo right out of the box, and a few default settings can quietly leave gaps in your privacy without you realizing it. What you're gonna learn here is how to think about your VPN setup in a simple and realistic way. Hindi to about becoming privacy expert or baguhin kung paano ka mag-online, more on siguraduhin lang na yung basics talaga yung gumagana ng maayos. So your VPN does what you expect it to. Importante yung settings na to kasi they help you protect your connection on public Wi-Fi, reduce tracking, and give you more control over what happens to your data day to day. So simulan natin. Balik tayo sa basics. Ano ba yung Ultra VPN? Ultra VPN ay isang virtual private network na tumutulong i-protect yung internet activity mo by encrypting your connection at tinatago ang IP address mo. Kung walang VPN, diretsong kumokonek yung device mo sa website, apps, at networks, kaya mas madaling matrack yung activity mo, lalo na sa shared or public Wi-Fi. Pero kapag naka-on yung Ultra VPN, yung internet traffic mo, dumadaan muna sa secure server bago makarating sa destination mo. This adds a layer of protection that keeps others on the same network from seeing what you're doing online. Nakakatulong din to i-limit yung location-based tracking sa pamamagitan ng pagtago ng real IP address at pinapalitan ito ng IP mula sa VPN server. Ang Ultra VPN ay designed na maging madaling gamitin. Hindi mo kailangan ng technical knowledge para magamit to, and nakafocus yung app sa clear labels and simple options. Kaya practical choice siya para sa mga gusto ng better privacy pero ayaw ng complicated settings or constant adjustments. So ngayon, let's dive in sa key features. Isa sa core features ng Ultra VPN is yung encrypted internet traffic. Encryption helps protect your data by scrambling it so it can be easily read if intercepted. Importante to lalo na kapag nasa public Wi-Fi networks katulad ng airports, hotels, cafes, or shared workspace. Isa pang key feature is IP address masking. Your IP address can reveal information about your location and internet provider. Pinapalitan to ng Ultra VPN ng server IP, kaya nababawasan yung tracking at profiling na nakatay sa real location mo. May option din ng Ultra VPN na pumili ng server location. Although minsan pwedeng naapektuhan ang connection performance, ang main benefit nito for beginners is flexibility. Connecting through a nearby server often keeps things fast while still protecting your activity. Importante rin yung layout app mismo. Madaling hanapin yung settings, and most privacy options are not buried behind technical menus. Importante to kasi yung VPN nakakatulong lang talaga kung tama mo siyang nagagamit at naiintindihan mo kung ano yung noon mo. Okay, so ngayon pag-usapan natin yung 7 privacy settings na dapat i-turn on mo agad. First setting na i-check is the automatic connection. This controls whether Ultra VPN turns on by itself when you connect to the internet. If this is off, your device may connect to a network before the VPN activates, which can expose activity for a short period. Kapag in-on mo to, masisigurado mo na yung protection nagsistart agad pag online ka na. Yung second setting is auto connect on public Wi-Fi. Yung public networks ay isa sa biggest risk areas para sa everyday users. Airports, hotels, cafes, and gyms, lahat gumagamit ng shared networks, kaya mas madaling ma-monitor yung activity. Kapag in-enable mo, automatic magkoconnect yung Ultra VPN kapag sumali ka sa unsecured network, instead na aasa pa sa'yo kung maaalala mo. The third setting to enable the kill switch. Isa to sa pinaka-important na madalas na overlook na VPN feature. A kill switch blocks internet access if your VPN connection drops unexpectedly. Kapag wala to, pwedeng mag-connect yung device mo sa internet na walang protection kahit sandali lang. Turning this on helps prevent accidental exposure. If your connection changes or becomes unstable, your fourth setting is DNS leak protection. A DNS request can reveal what websites you're visiting even if the rest of your traffic is encrypted. Yung DNS leak protection helps make sure those requests go through the VPN. Imbes na dumaan sa regular network provider mo, this setting helps close a less obvious privacy gap that many beginners don't realize to exist. Yung fifth setting na i-check is protocol selection. If available, some VPNs allow you to choose how your connection is handled behind the scenes. But again, hindi mo kailangan intindihin yung technical details. Yung recommended o automatic option usually nagbibigay ng best balance ng security and stability. Avoid manually charging this unless you really know why you're doing it. Yung sixth setting is App Auto Launch on Startup. This ensures Ultra VPN opens when your device turns on. Kapag hindi running yung app, hindi ka protected ng VPN. Turning this on helps reduce the chance of browsing without protection, simply because you forgot to open the app. And lastly, yung seventh setting na dapat i-review is location or server selection behavior. Some users manually change servers often while others stay on the same location. For beginners, sticking with a nearby server usually provides a more stable connection while still protecting your privacy. Hindi naman kailangan palaging magpalit ng servers unless may specific problem ka talaga, okay? Ngayong gets mo na kung paano gumagana lahat sa bigger picture, let's talk about some pros and cons you can decide if Ultra VPN is worth it for you. So, isa sa biggest advantages ng Ultra VPN is kung gaano kadaling gamitin to. Madaling i-navigate yung app and yung settings naka-label in a way na madaling maintindihan ng mga bago pa lang sa VPNs. Dahil dito, mas malaki yung chance na ma-on talaga ng users yung mga features na importante. Imbes na ma-overwhelm ka na gawin, okay din gamitin yung Ultra VPN once na masarap na siya. After you enable the right settings, kaya niyan tumakbo quietly in the background without needing constant attention. Helpful to para sa mga gusto ng privacy protection without turning it into another daily task. On the downside, Ultra VPN may feel limited to users who want advanced customizations. If you enjoy adjusting technical details or experimenting with deeper network options, you may find fewer controls available. Yung kapalit nito ay simplicity, okay na okay para sa beginners but may not satisfy more technical users. Okay, ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin kung ano talaga yung itsura ng pricing kasi importante rin tong part na to para makapag-decide ka kung ano ba yung tamang tool para sa'yo. If you wanna save over 60%, may link kami down below sa description. Pagka-click mo sa link, all you have to do is click Get the Deal and you can see they have a couple of different plans here. So, meron silang Ultra VPN at Ultra VPN Plus. Ultra VPN is 64% off when you use our links, which brings us to just $2.90 per month. With this, you get 10 devices, 125 global locations, ultra-fast connection, unlimited bandwidth, no logs policy, kill switch, and split tunneling. May kasama rin tong industry-leading encryption. And then, meron tayong Ultra VPN Plus na makakapag-save ka ng 52% gamit yung link namin. Kaya magiging $3.99 per month na lang siya for the first year. With this, makukuha mo lahat ng nasa Ultra VPN pero may dagdag pa siyang antivirus protection, AI-powered safe browsing, application control, at pag-eliminate ng malware. So, pumili ka ng plan na pinaka-fit sa needs mo. Maganda rin sa Ultra VPN is my 30-day money-back guarantee sila. So, pwede mo siyang i-try ng risk-free. And kung sakaling makapag-decide ka na hindi siya para sa'yo, pwede mo rin i-refund yung pera mo. Okay, bago tayo mag-wrap up, gusto ko lang i-share yung bonus tips. So, one helpful thing to remember is that privacy works best when it becomes routine. Yung VPN, nakakatulong kapag consistent siya naka-on, hindi lang paminsan-minsan. Getting into the habit of checking that Ultra VPN is active bago mag-browse can make a real difference over time. Another tip is maging aware sa nangyayari kapag nagpapalit ka ng networks. Moving between home Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi, and cellular data can briefly interrupted connections. Making sure your VPN is set to reconnect automatically helps prevent small gaps in protection. Magandang habit din na balikan yung settings every few months kasi yung app updates, device updates, and system changes can sometimes reset options or add new ones. A quick review helps make sure everything still matches your expectations. And finally, tandaan na yung VPN ay isa lang sa layer of privacy. Yung pagiging mindful sa browser settings, app permissions, and account security works together with your VPN to create better overall protection. Now, is Ultra VPN for you? Yung Ultra VPN makes sense kung gusto mo ng beginner-friendly VPN na nakafocus sa everyday privacy without unnecessary complexity. Kaya yung main goal mo is protektuhan ang connection mo sa public Wi-Fi, reducing tracking, and adding a basic layer of security to your online activity. It can be a really good fit. Kung gusto mo ng deep customization, advanced tools, or very technical features, Ultra VPN may feel limiting. In that case, exploring a more advanced VPN service could be a better option. Yung tamang choice really depends kung gaano ka hands-on sa privacy tools mo. I know how confusing online privacy can feel, especially when it seems like you're expected to understand everything right away. But focusing on a few key settings is often enough to make real improvement without adding stress or overwhelm. And kung gusto mong i-check yung Ultra VPN at makuha yung best price possible, don't forget na gamitin yung link namin sa description below. Gusto ko lang i-mention na affiliate link sa mga to, which means pwede kaming kumita ng small commission pero walang extra cost to you. So kung gagamitin mo yung links namin, super thank you in advance sa suporta mo sa channel namin. It really helps us continue to create free content just like this. Yung channel na to is dedicated para tulungan ka maging safe online gamit yung clear and honest explanations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and of course mag-iwan ng comments or questions sa baba. Gusto naming makarinig from you. Thank you so much sa panonood and see you in the next video.